All right, we just got these K2s. Kinetic 80 recreational. Bam. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Let's unveil these boxes. Oh yeah. Check them out. Wow. Look at these wheels. They've got that nice color, matches everything. It's like a burgundy. And yeah. Now we just gotta take them out for a spin. See what we think. All right. Let's see what this says. Always wear protection. Yeah, you can say that again. All right, so now I've got to wrap these up and give these to Madison for Christmas. We'll have to get her some. There we go. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this.